Hello everyone, here's Meljanka again with Genre 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day number 15 of your 21-day challenge, and we are doing shoulders again. So for you to know, shoulders are the first thing people notice when you're working out because they shape pretty fast. So doing good shoulder workout not only keeps them healthy, but it makes you look sexier, and that's awesome. So today, make sure that you have light weights because we are doing some shoulder work, but I'm going to teach you how to do push-ups that are going to target the whole shoulder. Okay, so without further ado, let's play hit to that music and get ready for a great workout. Okay, when I'm choosing the music, I try to put together some songs that go with each other, and hopefully this one sounds good. Let's go. Side to side with those shoulders. Yes, let's go. Good, bring it up. Awesome. Open, let's go. In, double. In, double. Let's go. In, double. Awesome job. Now cross, one arm at a time. Move it from the back to the front. Good job. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now roll. Good job. Moving the legs always to warm up the whole body. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Good job. Lifting from the center, elbows pointing forward. Ooh, new move. Big circle. Awesome. Other side. Breathe. Moving the whole rotator cuff. Again. Other arm. Awesome. Each one at a time. Good. Slow. Get ready. It's gonna become pretty fast. Keep him up. Keep him up. Eso. They're already getting tired. You got it? Fast. Woo! Eso. The whole body. Yes. Let's go. Shoulders going up. Arms going up. Nice up, nice up. Now jump, jump. Bring the shoulders higher. Awesome, now go back. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, go. Extend those arms. Let's go. I'm feeling my shoulders, how about you? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, now push up. Bend those knees. Ha. Yeah, breathing hard. Woo! And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Yay! Nice, we did it. That was your warm up. Heart rate going up. Let's get ready for those weights, small weights. And if you have a bar, make it really, really light. Let's go. Here we go. Either 2 plates, 1 bar. I'm gonna place the bar like this. So show you my profile view. Let's get ready with those plates. So, for shoulders, last time we moved in the whole horizontal, vertical plane So we move them a lot. This time, we're gonna try to keep it under tension for longer time. And I know you love this song. All right, so elbows in. We're gonna do reverse pec deck. This is how it's called. Soften your knees. Good, good. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now take it down. Rotate. Up, up, in, down, down. Yes, just like that. This is a rotator with a pec deck combination. Good job. Okay, we're gonna take it down and hold. Awesome. Roll your shoulders. Side raise. Take it down. Side raise again. Slow. No higher than your shoulder, okay? Now come forward. Up, up, down, down again. Up, up, down, down. This is a little bit faster, yeah? Good. Ready? Rotate and pec deck. Awesome. Beautiful. Woo. One more. Now from here, reach up. Slow. Reach down. 90 degree. Reach up. Yeah, reach down. Awesome. 2 more slow. And we dance. Oh. Yes. Let's go. Same combo as we did before. I am feeling it. How about you? Good, good. Awesome. Few more, guys. All right, last one. Listen to me. We're gonna go to the bar. We're gonna pick it up. I'm gonna show you some upright rows. We go slow up. We go down. The bar is close to your body. These are for trapezius. Yes? Those muscles on top of the shoulders. Let's go. We're gonna do singles. Control. Hold, hold, hold. Single it out. Here we go. Good job. Elbows go out and high without shrinking the shoulders. Yeah? Keep them down, away from the ears. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it down. Ready for push-ups? We're almost ready to finish. So we're gonna open wide and then come a little bit in. Yep. Option number 1, down, up. Option number 2, down, up. Option number 3, down, up. It's just few. One more? Oh no, 8 more. 4 more, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach up. We feel those shoulders, don't we? Okay. So we're gonna go straight to the stretching portion of the class. Let's put that equipment away. So shoulders are one of the most used parts of our body. So we have to keep them healthy, all right? First thing we're gonna do is do contraction, just to create some tension in there. So let's go. Use your fingers, squeeze really tight. Breathe in, breathe out, and then press down. Do it again. Inhale, contract, exhale, release. Awesome. Now, neck. Because we did the traps, this muscle up here, we want to stretch it, okay? So try pressing this hand down and the neck to the other side. Big inhale, big exhale, and roll your neck. Other side. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Make it intentional. Yes. When you're ready, roll your neck forward, come back in. Now we're gonna stretch with a nice grabs. So we're gonna clasp our hands right back down. Knuckles push down. Chest lifts. We're gonna try to squish shoulder blades. That's stretching the front of the shoulder. And now we're gonna stretch the back of the shoulder. C-shaping right here, kind of pressing in, stretching the hands. You can place one hand on top of the other and then switch. Can you feel it? Awesome. Me too. Give it time. You can lift hands, lower hands, and see how it feels. Yeah? Come back to the center and get ready for a big opening of the chest. Good. Now bring one arm across and then press it towards you. And that is when you feel it. Try looking to the other side with your head. Try placing your chin on your shoulder and see how it feels, your chin and shoulder. Other side. Chin right on top of the shoulder. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm pressing my microphone right here, okay? Press it hard. Open big. One last stretch. Up. Yay! We did it! Congratulations, you're super close to finishing this challenge. And I would like to hear from you when you attended your first class, all right? So get tuned. See you soon. And don't forget, see you here tomorrow. Same time. Take care. Love you all. Bye.